If you don't use vertical profiling in your lake, you never get the full understanding of what is happening when you get an algae bloom. My name is Lisa Brandt. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Algisonic. And at Algisonic, we recently developed a system to vertically profile your water body. Most water quality monitoring stations, including ours, only take readings at the surface of the water body. That gives good information of what is going on in the water body, but definitely not everything. For example, when you're measuring nutrients, it will only give you information about sources coming from streams or wastewater discharge, creeks, etc. But what has actually leached from your sediments, it's not going to be in that information. The same thing goes, for example, for the growth of algae. Measurements of algae at the surface does definitely not say everything about the growth of algae up to the water column, because the algae can grow at many different depths in the lake, and you can see them sometimes even grow 3 to 4 meters depth. So by measuring at different depths, you can see much more about the behavior of the algae in the lake and also get a better understanding of the total concentration of algae in the lake. Another example is, for example, to measure the stratification of a lake. If you want to accurately get an understanding of when and how a lake stratifies, then you really need to have a vertical profiler on your lake. By taking these measurements all the way to the water column, you get a better understanding of the amount of stratification in your reservoir, when nutrients are leaching from your sediments, whether nutrients are coming from different sources, and how the algae are distributing through a water column. Our systems is also technically much more advanced than the current state of the art in the market. For example, it's very easy to maintain. You can go there from a boat, do all the maintenance. You don't need to drag the buoy to the shore, take it completely out of the water. You can just do everything from a boat on site. Another big advantage is the fact that the unit measures up to 100 meters in depth, which is around 300 feet. So it allows you to even monitor very deep lakes and get a very good vertical profile of those lakes as well. Finally, the unit is also low cost and can be integrated with our current MPC buoy technology. The vertical profiling really is the next step for us into providing better, more accurate treatment. Everything integrates in one buoy, but also in one software. This means that you will have one online software which will have your real-time water quality monitoring, your vertical profile, remote sensing satellite data, and your progress of your treatment.